Hi, in this video we will talk about how to find out square root of polynomials. Like I have written this example for this, and from this example you can get idea like how to find square root of these polynomials, these type of polynomials. And here I will I will explain this with two ways, and you can choose any way which is suitable for you, which you find easy, right? So my first method is, first of all, okay, we need to find square root of 4x4 8x cube plus 8x square plus 4x plus 1, right? Whenever we write square root, I have already told you that when actually what is the meaning of square root. When we have whatever power we have, then its power gets halved. Okay, so if we have power of 4 of any number or the polynomial, its power gets half. It will if we have 2 power of 2, it will become 1. If we have power of 4, it will become 2. If we have power of 6, it will become 3. In such ways we can get some idea like what would be our answer. So here the largest power of this polynomial is 4. So in the answer, in the square root, we must have the maximum power of 2 of x, and so we will proceed further, right? So our first method is, you can first of all, we need to make this polynomial in form of square of something, right? So that whenever we get a square of anything, and we can cancel out, and that will be our answer. So here first of all what you would do is, you can take 4x square common from here, from the first three values components. You can take out 4x square as common, right? 4x square, we will be left with x square here. 4 to the 8, 2 x square, to make it x cube, 2x plus 2, and we have 4x plus 1 outside, right? Now what we will do is, obviously we need to make square of something, and here I want to make a plus b square formula, which is actually equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Fine. So a square and b square plus 2ab. So this is 2ab, this is a square, so I will break this into 1 plus 1. So 4x square, this is x square, this is 2x into 1, and this is 1 plus 1. Outside we have 4x plus 1. So this is a square, b square, because 1 can be written as 1 square, and this is 2ab, right? So this will become 4x square. This can be written as a plus b whole square, x plus b, which is 1 whole square, then plus 1, right? Outside we have 4x plus 1, right? Now again what you would do is, we will multiply 4x square, we will open these brackets, and we will multiply 4x square with x plus 1 whole square. Then here 4x square will be multiplied with 1, 4x square plus 4x plus 1, right? Now what will be our next step? Just write this in terms of square. Can we, this is, can that 4 can be written as 2 square, x is already in square, and this term is already in square. So this can be written as 2x x plus 1 whole square, right? And here you can take out common. 4x can be taken out as common for 4x, and here x will be left, x plus 1 plus 1, right? Now as you can see that we have this term here, something a square, something of square. So can I write this as a square? And here 1 can be written as 1 square, right? So this is b square, and here we need to break this into so that we can write in terms of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So just try to take 2 as common, then here we will be left with 2x x plus 1. Again 1 can be multiplied, so this can be written as 2 and 2. This is 2x, this number which is 2x x plus 1 is equals to this a. So this is equals to a and 1 is equals to b. So what has become now, this has become this formula, a plus b whole square. Fine. So a plus b, a is this 2x x plus 1, a plus b which is 1 whole square. So the term that we had in the beginning, we are successful in writing this term in form of square. Fine. So when we take square or square root of this term, then what will happen, this will cancel out with this, and we will find the square root of this number which is equals to 2x x plus 1 plus 1. You can open these brackets, 2x multiplied with x, 2x square, 2x with 1, 2x plus 1, and this is our answer, right? And where we reach over here is, so in the beginning the power of the polynomial was 4, the bigger power, the largest power, and here the largest power has turned to 2. So this is the square root of the above polynomial. This is the one method, like how we can find square root of such sort of polynomials. Second method is, in second method what you can do is, it is actually hit and trial method. Here what you will do, first of all, let me write the statement again. It was 4x4 plus 8x cube plus 8x square plus 4x plus 1. Again we need to transform this polynomial in terms of square of any number. First of all, we have this number, first number, which is equals to, this can be written as a square of some number. This can be written as 2 square, this can be written as x square, and 1 can also be written as 1 square. So 4x raised to power 4 can be written as 2x square whole square. Fine. Actually we are just talking about, okay, I will explain this further, just wait. And 1 can be written as 1 square. So these are the two extreme values of these polynomials. We have written these in such ways, right? So now we need something for these values which are lying in between these extreme values. Fine. So the first, and obviously the power of these values lies in between x raised to power 4. X raised to power 4 is the maximum power, and here x raised to power 0 is this is the maximum power of the polynomial, and this is the minimum power of the polynomial, x raised to power 0, which is equals to 1, right? So we actually want, if I write these x raised to power 4, because we have written this in terms of x square, so you can write here x square also. If we write this in terms of if you write x raised to power 4 in terms of square, that is why I'm saying. So what we need is, we actually need another term or polynomial which is having power in between x raised to power 2 and x raised to power 0, because we are actually want to find square root of the number. So that is why I'm focusing on the reduced power. It was x raised to power 4 and we have reduced it to x square, and here x raised to power 0. We want some term with power x raised to power 1. So what could be our next term. So I would say that just hit and trial method. So we need a term with the x, and you cannot, here already we have 4 and you cannot exceed more than 4. If you take 4 over here, then 4 multiplied by 4 will become 16, and there is no any term which is equals to 16. What we need is, we need 8 over here. So what we will do, we will take 2, the middle term. Okay, so these were the extreme terms, 4x raised to power 4 and 1, and middle term you will take like this. Fine. Now what you will do is, you will write 2x square plus 2x plus 1. Now just see, if you square all these terms, then what will happen. Fine. Before telling you how to square these terms, we have a formula, and formula of a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Fine. ab, bc, ca, then 2, and we will apply this formula over here to this expression, right? First of all, 2x square, a square, which will be equals to 4x raised to power 4. Now b square, which is equals to 4x square. Now c square, which will be equals to 4. Now 2ab, 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b, which will be equals to 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 x square multiplied with x, it will be x cube, right? Then 2bc, 2 to the 4 and x, c is 1. Then 2ca, 2ca, 2 to the 4, then x square. Now solve this expression. 4x raised to power 4, 4x square, it will be added, but after x raised to power 4 we will write the term with power 3. So this is 8x cube. Now term with power 2, 4 4 8 x raised to power 2. Now term with x raised to power 1, 4x, then 1, and this term is exactly equals to this term. So this is the term which we can write for this term, and we need to find square root of this term. 2x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square, this will be cancelled out, and 2x square plus 2x plus 1, this is our answer. This is the square root of the above polynomial. In such ways we can find a square root of any other polynomial also. Fine. So this is all about this, and thank you so much for watching.